ज्योतिर्मयी जगन्मातार आगमन वार्ता आनंदमयी महामायार पदध्वनि অসীম ছন্দে বেজে উঠে রূপলোক ও রসলোকে আনে নবভাব মাধুরীর সঞ্জীবন। তাই আনন্দিতা শ্যামলী মাতৃকার চিন্ময়ীকে মৃন্ময়ীতে আবাহন।
Hello everybody, welcome to my channel Mixed Emotions. Hope you all are doing good. Hope you all are in the pink of your health. And today I thought of doing something different from what I have been usually doing. Today I thought of coming up with the topic of Mahalaya and just sharing my experience and how I used to celebrate it. And I would also love to discuss the history of Mahalaya, the origin of Mahalaya, what is it actually, and I will try to find a connection, a small connection between the celebration of Mahalaya and the terms which we use in English during this particular puja period, you know. So first just let me share my small experience with you all. I hope I will not bore you all. Basically Mahalaya for me has always been it's a type of it's a type of a great journey or a great experience which I wanted to experience at every year at this particular time. So what I used to do is that I used to live in a joint family, and I was so much excited about this day Mahalaya. We used to have holiday in our school, so what I used to do is that I used to visit my granny's room. So I used to tell her that today I will be sleeping at your place, and the fact was I never used to sleep, as I was so excited to just on the radio and listen to it. And the whole night I used to disturb my granny that see the time is there, we should get up and we should listen to the Mahalaya thing, you know. And my granny used to say it's just 2 o'clock in the morning, you can please sleep, it is 4 when these things will start. And we used to have Doordarshan channel, so there was a program in the Mahalaya, especially in this DD Bangla, I guess. We used to watch that particular thing, and I used to get so much excited to see that only. So at 4 o'clock I used to get up and I used to start the radio. And the best part about it was that everyone in our neighborhood would listen to the same song, you know, and that echo would actually give you a different kind of feeling which I miss at this point of time. Because of our daily work or our lifestyle, everything has changed. I do not get up at 4 to listen to the Mahalaya nowadays, to be very true and honest. Yes, I do listen afterwards. So things have changed drastically, and from 4 to 6 or 6:30 we used to listen to the Mahalaya, and we used to enjoy our like anything. Like the enjoyment I used to have with my grandparents was the best part for me during that time, because my parents used to sleep and they also used to get woken up by the radio or the noise outside. But nowadays I don't think that is too prevalent because of our lifestyle, because of our busy schedule. So that's the small story I wanted to share with you all, and hope you would love the video, and please watch the full video. And just stay home, stay safe. And yes, I can't say that please enjoy the puja at your best, because this time is a bit creepy, and this time is not so great. But I would definitely want you all to be safe and in the pink of your health. So do stay safe, and yes, keep subscribing and keep sharing this video if you love it. And yeah, thank you so much. Hi. In West Bengal, Odisha, Assam, Tripura, Durga Puja is also known as Akal Bodhan, which means the untimely awakening of Ma Durga. It is also known as Sharadiya Puja. Sharadiya Puja means autumnal worship. Another term used is Sharodotsav. Sharodotsav means festival of the autumn season. It is also known as Maha Puja because grand puja. It is a puja celebration which actually occurs in 4 long days. It is also known as Mayar Puja. Mayar Puja means worship of the mother. Durga Puja or Pujo. Okay, in Bangladesh, Durga Puja has been historically celebrated as Bhagavati Puja. Durga Puja is also referred to by the names of related Shakta Hindu festivals such as Navratri, celebrated on the same days elsewhere in India, such as in Bihar, Jharkhand, Gujarat, UP, Punjab, Kerala and Maharashtra. Today I will be discussing few details about the Durga Puja and the origin of Durga Puja and also Mahalaya. Mahisasur Mardini is a widely popular early Bengali special genre radio program that has been broadcast since 1931 on AIR. Well, AIR stands for All India Radio, that is in the state of West Bengal. It is a 1.5 hour audio montage of Chandi Path, chanting from Chandi, recitation from the scriptural verses of Sri Sri Chandi or Durga Saptashati, Bengali devotional songs, classical music, and a dash of acoustic melodrama. The program has been translated into Hindi set to similar orchestration and is broadcast at the same time for a pan-India audience. This program is aired every year at daybreak on Mahalaya. The program, which started off as a live performance, has been broadcasted in its pre-recorded format since 1996. However, its great popularity remains undiminished even today, over 89 years later. This program has become synonymous in Mahalaya, which is celebrated to usher the Devi Paksha, lunar fortnight, and the Durga Puja. To this day, most of the Bengal wakes up. The Bengalis wake up by 4 a.m. to be precise on the day of Mahalaya to tune into the Mahisasura Mardini broadcast. Presently, the recordings are available as audio cassettes and compact disc from HMV RPG, which has obtained the rights from All India Radio. The CD version contains total 19 tracks. Birendra Krishna Bhadra, who will always be remembered for making Mahalaya memorable to one and all, is the voice behind Mahisasura Mardini. He already recites the holy verses and tells the story of the descent of Durga to earth. It was on the day of Mahalaya, the beginning of Devi Paksha, that the gods and goddesses woke up to prepare themselves for Durga Puja. In 1931, Mahalaya was first broadcasted over the radio in Akashvani, Calcutta. The program was organized by Pankaj Kumar Malik, Premankur Atorthi, Birendra Krishna Bhadra, Nripendra Krishna Mukhopadhyay, and Raichand Boral. So popular was his version of the recitation that when in 1976 the voice of noted Bengali actor Uttam Kumar was employed for the program and renamed it as Durgati Harini, did not get favorable response from the audience, and it was shifted back to the original version of Birendra Krishna Bhadra. Bhadra died long ago, but his recorded voice still forms the core of the Mahalaya program. In a sonorous voice, Bhadra renders the Mahalaya recital for 1.5 thrilling hours, mesmerizing duration as the Bengalis submerge their souls in quiet moments of prayer. Though the theme is mythological and the mantras Vedic, this program is a landmark composition. It is scripted by Bani Kumar and narrated by Birendra Krishna Bhadra, while Dvijan Mukhopadhyay, who sang Jago Durga Jago Dashoproho Rono Dharini, Manabendra Mukhopadhyay, Tabo Achinto, Sandhya Mukhopadhyay, Arati Mukhopadhyay, Utpala Sen, Shamal Mitra, Supriti Ghosh, Bajlo Tomar Alor Benu sang in their melodious voices. This enchanting music is composed by Pankaj Malik. As the recital begins, the serene morning air resonates with the long-drawn sound of the Scotch and the scared conch shell, followed by a tune in Raga Malkosh, which ultimately leads to the start of the program with the prayer to Goddess Chandi. Immediately, an atmosphere is created full of assurance, respect, and universal love and peace. This way, Mahisasur Mardini took a permanent place in the heart of Bengalis as well as Indian culture. So that was it. I thought of sharing a bit of Mahalaya and the essence of Mahalaya, the basics of this puja, why is Durga Puja so famous in Bengalis among us with you, and I also shared a bit of a small experience of mine too when I was small. I hope you liked the video. If you have liked the video, do subscribe my channel, do share it. And yes, English classes are actually conducted online. If you have any inquiry, you can drop your comment in the comment section below. Hope you are all safe. Please have a safe and a healthy Durga Puja ahead. Wish you all a very Durga Puja in advance. Thank you. Keep watching Mixed Emotions.